Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. I'm Hannah and I'm back with another episode of Basic English videos. In this video we're gonna learn new grammatical structures and new words as well. سلام دوستای خوبم، امیدوارم که حالتون خیلی خوب باشه. هانا هستم از تیم فرازبان. توی یه درس دیگه از سری درس‌های انگلیسی مقدماتیمون قراره مثل همیشه نکات جدید، گرامر جدید، کلمات جدیدی رو یاد بگیریم. یه سری تمرین‌ها هست که شما قراره جواب‌هاشو توی قسمت کامنت‌ها برای من کامنت کنید. So let's get started. In this unit, you will learn the following: how to talk about clothes, how to say what's wrong with something. Here are some phrases you will learn to use: might be, must be, in case, doesn't work. And here are some sentences you will practice. She's dressing herself. Did you hurt yourself? That must be Mr. Ross. There's a hole in it. I'm not wearing any either. I'm wearing a hat. بریم سراغ درسمون. It's 1992. Come here, Anna, and I'll dress you. بیا اینجا انا، من لباس تنت میکنم، لباس میپوشونمت. Where's mom? Someone asks, where's mom? She's dressing Anna. She's dressing Anna. مامان کجاست؟ داره تن آنا لباس میپوشه. Now it's 1996 and Anna is older. Anna, go and dress yourself. Go and dress yourself. برو لباستو بپوش. Someone asks, where's Anna? She's in her bedroom. She's dressing herself. She's in her bedroom. She's dressing herself. Anna, where are you? I'm in my bedroom. I'm dressing myself. I'm dressing myself. We're dressing ourselves. We're dressing ourselves. Someone says, they're dressing themselves. They're dressing themselves. We want to talk about these words that you can see. Yourself, herself, myself, ourselves, themselves. In English, they're called reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are words ending in self or selves that are used when the subject and object of a sentence are the same. اینا رو بهشون میگیم، این کلماتی که به سلف و سلفز ختم میشن ضمایر انعکاسی. توی انگلیسی وقتی فاعل و مفعول جملتون هر دو به یک شخص، به یک چیز اشاره بکنه، میتونید از ضمایر انعکاسی استفاده بکنید. Look at other examples. Fred fell off his bicycle. Fred از دوچرخش افتاد. Did he hurt himself? Did he hurt himself? به خودش آسیب زد. Did you hurt yourself? داره ازش سوال میکنه. به خودت آسیب زدی؟ Yes, I hurt myself. I hurt myself. این ضمایر انعکاسی با یک سری از افعال متعدی استفاده میشه که رایج ترینشون همین افعال cut, hurt, help هستن. توی این مثال هم hurtش رو میبینید. hurt, himself, yourself, myself. Number 2. John and Betsy had an accident. Did they hurt themselves? Did they hurt themselves? Did you hurt yourselves? Yes, we hurt ourselves. خب یه تفاوتی هست. توی این قسمت این آقا داره با یک نفر صحبت میکنه. So, yourself. داره بهش میگه خودت. And in this part, he's talking to two. Actually, he's talking to this lady, but she says that we hurt ourselves. So that's why he said yourselves. So if you're referring to one person, yourself. If you're referring to two or more, yourselves. Okay? And the other one, Arthur's very late. I'm worried about him. Maybe he had an accident. آرتور دیر کرده، خیلی دیر کرده. نگرانشم، شاید ممکنه که تصادفی داشته، اتفاقی براش پیش اومده باشه. In the previous video we've talked about maybe, probably. There's Arthur. He didn't have an accident. I'm happy. بالاخره آرتور هم سرکلش پیدا شد. میگه که هیچ اتفاق براش نیفتاده. خوشحالم. یا مشکلی نداشته. تصادفی پیش نیامده. Now, let's look at the reflexive pronouns. Let's first go through the singular ones. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, and itself. Now, the plural forms are ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Okay? میشه خودم، خودت، خود اون آقا، خود اون خانم، خود اون شی، حیوان یا حالا هرچی، خودمون، خودتون و خودشون. Now, it's practice time. Please read these 8 sentences. The first one's done. So, go through numbers 2 to 8 and write the correct reflexive pronoun. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, or ourselves, yourselves, themselves. اینو توی قسمت کامنت ها با عنوان تمرین شماره 1 برای من کامنت بکن. There's another one. این هم توی تمرین شماره 2 you can see 6 sentences. Read them one by one. If they're correct, just tick them. If they have a mistake, find the mistake and correct it. Look at the first one. My brother fell off his bicycle and hurt himself. Okay? Because the subject and the object are just referring to one person. They're the same. They're the same person. My brother, him. Himself. Sorry, himself. Okay? Now, number 2 is correct. So just tick it. این هم تو قسمت کامنت ها با عنوان تمرین شماره 2 برای من کامنت بکنید. That might be Mr. Ross. That might be Mr. Ross. He's looking for Mr. Ross. So said that might be. ممکنه که آقای راست باشه. They go closer. میرن نزدیکتر. روی بج روی سینش they can see R-O-S. میبینن R-O-S. این احتمال دادنشون قوی تر میشه. That must be Mr. Ross. باید Mr. Ross باشه. Mr. Ross, here's a message for you. I'm sorry, I'm not Mr. Ross. I'm Mr. Rose. پس ببینید از راه دور گفت might be. یه ذره جلوتر رفت یه چیزی دید R-O-S گفت must be. بعد که رفت پرسید بعد متوجه شد که در واقع اصلا این Mr. Ross نیست و Mr. Rose هست. Okay. I'll take my umbrella. I'll take my umbrella in case it rains. چترمو میبرم محض احتیاط یا مبادا که بارون بباره. Okay? In case. We use in case to talk about things we should do in order to be prepared for possible future situations. In case رو وقتی استفاده میکنیم که کار رو انجام میدیم، یک کار رو باید انجام بدیم که آماده یک چیزی در آینده باشیم. مثلا این داره چتر رو اینجا بر میداره که اگه بارون بارید آماده اون باشه. Look at the things or the words after in case. After in case you need a subject and a verb. بعد از in case یه فاعل و بعدش فعل میاد. این کیس رو میتونید توی فارسی مثلا در صورتی که مبادا محض احتیاط شاید معنی کنید. ولی be careful. It does not mean if. معنی if نمیده. Okay? And she asked, did you need your umbrella? No, it didn't rain. چترت نیازت شد؟ نه، نبارید. تفاوتش با if چیه؟ if اگه بارون بباره شما چتر رو میبرید. in case چتر رو میبرید که محض احتیاط مبادا که بارون بیاد. Okay? So it's completely different. It's not if. Did you need your umbrella? Yes, it rained. چترتو نیاز داشتی؟ بهش نیاز پیدا کردی؟ آره بارون بارید. It's clean. It's clean. تمیزه. It's dirty. It's dirty. کثیفه. It's torn. It's torn. پاره پوره است. Clean, dirty, torn. It's burnt. It's burnt. سوخته است. There's a hole in it. There's a hole in it. سوراخ توشه. سوراخ داره. There's a mark on it. There's a mark on it. یه علامتی روشه. They're creased. They're creased. چروکن. این شلوار چروکه. It works. کار میکنه. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. کار نمیکنه. خراب شده. Now, let's learn some words related to clothes. Jeans. Jeans. شلوار جین. A shirt. یه پیراهن. A tie. A tie. Socks. Because there are two socks. Jeans. Socks means جوراب. A dress. پیراهن. A skirt. دامن. A t-shirt. A jumper. A jacket. A suit. A hat. A coat. A bra. Trousers. Stockings. Pants. Okay, now that's a wardrobe. A wardrobe. A wardrobe. Where's your suit? In the wardrobe. A wardrobe در واقع میشه جا رختی. اینجای کمدی که ازش لباس آویزون میکنیم. Wardrobe. میگه که suit. Where's your suit? کجاست؟ داخل جا لباسی. A dresser. A dresser. میز آرایش یا میز کشودار و آینه دار رو میگیم a dresser. کشو و آینه داره. Where are your jeans? On the dresser. شلوار جینت کجاست؟ روی کشوی که در واقع میزی که کشو و آینه داره. In. On. A chest of drawers. A chest of drawers. یک کمد کشودار. Where's your t-shirt? In the top drawer. In the top drawer. تیشرتت کو تو کشو بالایی. Where are your socks? In the bottom drawer. جورابات کجان؟ کشو پایینی. Top, bottom. Okay? So, the prepositions. In داخل چیزی. On روی چیزی. Practice number 3. You can see 5 questions. Where's your coat? Where are your socks? Where's your tie? Where's your jacket? Where are your trousers? Okay, now look at this picture and write the answers to these questions in the comments part. جواب این سوال ها رو توی قسمت کامنت ها برای من بنویسید. I'm wearing a hat. یه کلاه سرمه. I'm wearing a hat. I'm wearing one too. I'm wearing one too. I'm not wearing a hat. کلاه سرم نیست. I'm not wearing one either. Now we want to learn some points related to the words to and either. میخوام یاد بگیریم to و either کجا استفاده میشن. to رو که میدونی معنی منم همچنین میده. میگه من یه کلاه سرم میگه منم یه دونه سرم کردم. منظورش کلاهه. We use to in affirmatives. Affirmative means a positive sentence. تو جمله مثبت to استفاده میشه. But look at number 4. I'm not wearing one either. When the verb is negative, you cannot use to. You have to use either at the end of your sentence. دقت کنید توی شماره 2 فعلتون مثبته. I'm wearing. پس اگه میخوایم بگیم منم همچنین to رو میتونید استفاده کنید. ولی تو جمله سوم جملتون منفیه. در واقع not wearing. فعل منفی استفاده شده. اینجا دیگه نمیتونید از to استفاده کنید. اینجا فقط باید از کلمه either استفاده بکنید. پس either is used with a negative verb at the end of the sentence. وقتی میخوایم بگیم منم نپوشیدم، منم ندارم، منم نه، منفی میخواین بگین اگه فعلتون منفی either رو آخر جملتون بیارید. Look at these sentences. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing some too. I'm not wearing shoes. I'm not wearing any either. some هم که تو جملات مثبت میومد، any هم تو منفی. قبلا در این مورد صحبت کرده بودیم. Let's go to the story. Maybe she went to the toilet, or she might be looking at the elephants again. She's around here somewhere. I'll see if she went to look at the elephants again, and I'll see if she went to the toilet. I'll come with you, Jim. We'll wait here in case she comes this way. Sue, Sue, can you see her? No, I can't. I'm a bit worried. Where is she? She must be around here. She'll be all right. Don't worry. Sue, 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 where have you been? We were worried about you. I fell and hurt my leg. Where's Dad? Uncle Kim went back to the elephants to look for you. Dad went with him and Mom went to the toilet to look for you. They'll come back soon. Are you all right? Did you hurt yourself? My leg hurts and my jeans are torn. Your t-shirt is dirty too. I know. Where did you fall? I fell down the steps near the antelopes and the zebras. She's not at the toilets. We didn't find her either. Let's go back to the koalas. She might be there now. این هم داستان ما. حالا بریم سراغ کلماتی که امروز یاد گرفتیم. Bottom drawer, bra, burnt, chest of drawers, clean, coat, creased, dirty, dress, dresser, either, fall, hat, herself, himself, jacket, jeans, jumper, mark, myself, ourselves, pants, shirt, skirt, socks, stockings, suit, themselves, t-shirt, tie, top drawer, torn, trousers, wardrobe, wear, work, worried, yourself and yourself. این هم از این درسمون. امیدوارم که براتون مفید بوده باشه. اگه اینطور بود لطفاً ویدیو رو لایک کنید و با دوستاتون به اشتراک بذارید. حتما جواب تمرین ها رو تو قسمت کامنت ها برای من بنویسید. مرسی از اینکه تا پایان این ویدیو هم همراه من بودید و تا ویدیوی بعدی روزتون بخیر.